In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit welcome page on Substack. We're going to make your welcome page look polished and on brand so new visitors immediately understand who you are and what your publication offers. I'll walk you through getting to the right place in your dashboard, updating the visuals and text, tuning the colors for accessibility and style, and saving everything so it's live. Start on your Substack dashboard and open the settings area. This is where all the core controls for your publication live. Inside settings, look for the website section. This is your hub for appearance, layout, and any page-specific tweaks. Next, choose Edit Theme. This opens the site editor where you can preview changes in real time before committing to them. In the editor's navigation, select the welcome page. This is the first impression many readers will get, so we'll shape it carefully. Begin by clicking Upload Image. Pick a high-quality image that represents your publication's tone. Think clear, uncluttered, and relevant. Horizontal images with ample negative space usually crop best and leave room for text to be readable on top. If your image includes people or detailed elements, make sure the focal point won't be hidden by headings or buttons. Give it a moment to upload, then check how it appears on the preview. Now, adjust the skip button text. This is the small but important control visitors can use to move past the welcome screen. Edit the wording so it's clear and friendly, like skip for now or go to posts, and keep it concise. Aim for language that sets the right tone while making the action obvious. Clear labels reduce confusion and help readers find your content faster. Open the color section in the editor. Here, you can fine-tune the overall look and improve readability. Choose the background color for your welcome page. For best results, prioritize contrast. If your text is light, opt for a darker background. And if your text is dark, choose a lighter background. This not only looks professional, but also supports accessibility for all readers. If you already have brand colors, enter the exact values to keep everything consistent. When everything looks good in the preview, click Save. Saving applies your changes to the live site, so double check spacing, text legibility, and how the image sits behind your headline and button. If something feels off, you can always return to the editor and refine it. That's it. Your Substack welcome page is updated and ready to greet new readers with a clean, cohesive experience.